Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can mesh like a shape with a text on Adobe Illustrator. So I'm just going to make a star here, and I think I'm gonna round out the corners a little bit because I just want to, and then I am going to just make it an outline. Add in your text here. I'm just going to type in star 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 like 3 times maybe, and I'm just going to adjust the size a little bit to fit the shape, hopefully. Okay, I guess I'll just fit. Okay, there we go. Then we're going to place it underneath the object, right click, create outline, sorry. And then you're going to select everything, go to object, envelope distort, and then make with top object, and it's going to look like this. Obviously it depends on your shape as well, but that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!